The brain functions by learning and memory, because what we discovered over the past 10 or so years is that you need sleep after learning to essentially hit the save button on those new memories. So like in the computer, you have a save, you save after you type. That save, if you want to save it in your brain, you should sleep well. That's what it says. If you're not sleeping well, it's not going to get into your memory. It's going to be there for some time and it's going to just get vanished. But recently we discovered that you also need sleep before learning. So to actually prepare your brain almost like a dry sponge, ready to initially soak up the new information, and without sleep, the memory circuits in the brain are not functioning well. They're clogged, water clogged, as it were. So it can't absorb new memories. So let me show you the data. Here in this study, we decided to test a hypothesis that pulling all-nighter was a good idea. Now, people who study throughout the night. So we took up a group of individuals who study throughout the night, and in the other experimental group, people who sleep well. So sleep deprived group and a sleeping group. So now the sleep group were sleeping for about 8 hours, and the deprived group were going awake to keep them awake in the lab under full supervision. They were not sleeping. We used to keep the full lights on and let them not sleep. There is no naps or caffeine, by the way, so it's miserable for everyone involved. And then the next day, we were going to place those participants inside an MRI scanner, and we are going to have them try and learn a whole list of new facts as we are taking snapshots of brain activity by MRI, and then we were going to test them. So how effective that learning has been. And to our surprise, we are looking at vertical axis, and when you put these two groups head to head, and you find a significant 40% deficit in the ability of brain to make a new memory without sleep.